Hello all, the big day is very near. Only 10 days left. May 17th to May 27th, 10 days are left. 28th is the day, your day of dreams, your day of ambition, your day of vision of becoming an IAS officer. The first stage, the preliminary examination 2023 UPSC CSC, morning 9:30 to 11:30 AM, 2:30 PM to 4:30 PM is the two sessions which are very important. To write the most important exam, mains examination, you need to qualify the prelims examination, as you know. So for that 10 days, I am coming up with advices, free advices, but worthful advices. It will help you. It will be a game changer. It will help you to properly cross this obstacle called as prelims examination. So please listen this another 5 minutes. It will help you to gain at least 10 marks in your prelims examination. Last 10 days strategy from May 17th to May 28th is prelims examination on May 28th. I am telling you, UPSC examination is all about mind game. UPSC question paper is something like a criminal mind game. Who are calm, composed, peace, those people only will clear the examination. How much hard you do, it will not matters. In that 2 hours of 9:30 AM to 11:30 AM, 2:30 PM to 4:30 PM, how much you are calm, how much you are composed, how much you are confident, that will matter. So 10 advices I have with you. The most important advices or suggestions. Number 1, my dear student, maintain your sleep cycles, whatever it may be. Whatever it may be, you might be a night bee, you might be a night dragon, you might be a person who study complete night. From tomorrow onwards, you have to stop it. It might be forceful. You have to change your cycle. You have to change your cycle. You have to sleep by 11 o'clock. You have to get up by 6 o'clock. 7 hours of sleep is enough and more. 11 o'clock, eyes should be closed. 6 o'clock, eyes should be opened. 11 PM to 6 AM, you sleep forcefully. You have to change your cycle, which should be coterminous with 9:30 AM to 11:30 AM on May 29th and 2:30 PM to, why? Because 9:30 AM to 11:30 AM, if you are sleeping, if you are getting naps, finish. Exam gaya baad mein. So change your sleeping cycle. Most important for everyone, regardless of whether you are also able to sleep or not. अगर नींद आया कि नहीं, sleep आया कि नहीं, बस सो जाओ, अपने कंबल मोड़ के सो जाओ, बस. Change your sleep cycle. Number 1. Number 2, maintain your health, my dear friends. This 10 days is most important for you. This 10 days is most important days in your life. Those who are very serious aspirants. For those aspirants, this is your last attempt. Those aspirants where the parents cannot put investment on you, and if you are thinking this is your last attempt, first maintain your health. Why? Because I know my students who got dengue, who got typhoid, who got disease, who got health upset, who got stomach upset on the examination. This 10 days, I advise you, dal chawal khao. Dal chawal, vegetables khao. This 10 days, maintain some upavas. Don't eat non-vegetarian. Eat very good quality food, limited food. Why? Because your health is also very important, my dear friends. Your health is also very important. Not only for you, for me also your health is very important. So please have a very good health diet. Maintain your health. Take preventive care to avoid any unknown health risk. Don't do any unknown health risks. Be very careful. Wear the mask this 10 days. Up to now, you are not wearing, at least this 10 days you wear. You have to have your own prevention. After May 28th, again you do whatever you want. Again, we will plan for mains again. Maintain your study hours aligned to 9:30 AM to 11:30 AM, 2:30 PM to 4:30 PM. Now onwards, this 10 days, how you plan? So that your brain will be active from 9:30 AM to 11:30 AM. 2:30 PM to 4:30 PM. So that plan in such way. Plan in such way. So you have to plan in that way that your brains, your nerves should be active in this particular time period. So you have to study more in this particular time period, this 10 days, so that May 28th, 9:30 AM to 11:30 AM and 2:30 PM to 4:30 PM will align with your study hours. Integrate stress reduction activities. If you are having stress, you are feeling stress, go for walk before you sleep. 10:30 ko jao. Go for walk. Do some exercise, mild exercise, just jogging in your room only. Do some put-ups, what some, we will tell no, or some exercise, some sort of exercise you do. Why? Because it's a stress buster. Do some exercise for this 10 days, light, mild exercise. Reduce discussion about the exam with your friends. Yes, if you think it is important also, don't discuss what type of questions will come, what type of questions, this type of questions might come, this might. So don't discuss. Why? Because it will create pressure on you if you don't read it. If you don't know it, it will create a pressure on you. So please, don't discuss about the question paper. Don't discuss about the exam. Finished. Done. Done. Discussion. Enough. बहुत discussion हो गया अब तक. बहुत हो गया discussion. No more discussion. Stop studying any new information. Don't read new. Already what you read, do revision. Already what you know, do revision. Don't read anything new. If it is must necessary, only limited materials you need. If not, don't read. I recommend you don't read any new materials. Don't read new materials. PYQs में focus करो. PYQs के ऊपर focus करो. Focus on PYQs. Focus on PYQs. PYQs, now you do PYQs or the test series which you followed, those questions, do reverse engineering. You can do test series, comprehensive test karo. Do test series or do PYQs or already the test series which you did, that reverse engineering you do. Then revise your basics and class notes. Whatever you already have it, do that revision. Eat healthy food as I told you. Achhi food khana padega. Every day and maintain this on exam day as well. On the exam day I am telling you, in the morning you eat idli and afternoon you eat curd rice and after the exam you go and eat biryani. Have a rough plan and stick to the plan. Don't randomly try to study everything again. Make a rough plan. Don't put yourself in stress. You have to complete this. You have to complete this. Don't put yourself in stress in this 10 days. Rough plan. I will study this. I will do the PYQ. I will do the test series questions. I will do revision this. So make a rough plan. Don't make yourself into the pressure cooker. Don't keep yourself into the pressure cooker. If this 10 days, if you maintain this, no, that 11th day will be a very good day. I wish God, I pray God that all my students should clear the prelims examination. Please try to follow this 10 advices or suggestions.